Hello beauties and gents, welcome back. In this video I'm going to share few things I got from LA fashion and also from this website Aurora boutique. I got some of the activewear from this shop, like I got online. Let's see first this. Okay, yeah, it comes very nicely packed and I got in size small. It fits me. I tried yesterday, it fits me. Okay, I tried this one. I'll show this one. Okay, so like it's a stretchy material and it fits me well, but I think medium will be much better. This one is okay, but like it's like too tight, I will say, and it's okay, but like I don't like the legging part that much. So this is how the legging looks. So it fits me, but I got in size medium. I bought again, so I got in size medium. So this is the legging. I'm going to give this to my girls, and like I want my girls to try it for me. So Eliza, can you come and try this for me, please? So we can show people watching how it is, and literally it's very nice. It fits really well. As you can see, it's very stretchy too. Yeah. And I love the design here. And this is the legging and this is the top. I literally love the top. So as you can see, this one is in size small and like it's a matching, and literally I love it. And I think it will look much better on Eliza, but let's see. Okay, the next one is same but in different color. So that one is gray and this one is this color, I think maroon, and literally it's so pretty. It looks really small, but like when you wear it fits really well, and yeah, it is in size small, so I think it is good for girls. So you like this one or gray one? Gray. And literally this legging is nice. Like once you wear, I think it will be a little bit like loose. It goes a little bit loose once you start wearing. And this one is really good. And look at this part, the design, like literally like it. Okay, and I got another one in the color black. You can go and wear the gray one and come. And this is the black one. Literally it's so pretty. I got like one was like when I was checking out, like they gave me a discount code at the checkout, so I can get another one. So I got another one. I got in color black. So there is two color blacks now. So this is small too and looks really nice. So I will give this to one girl, and the one which is coming I might give it to Isha. So I literally like this one. Like look at this, like it goes really high.
Oh, that's good.
And like it's so pretty. It has the same design, but in black you can't see properly, but I think when you wear you will see it properly. You can go try this one.
Purple.
Maroon.
Oh, maroon. Okay.
You try this one. So I have to wait now because girls are trying, and I'm gonna show you all how it looks, and you will have an idea. Like this website is really good. Once you check out, and like once you I think can't sign up But yeah, once you check out, like, they give you so much of discount codes. Okay, so I'm gonna leave a link, my referral link down below, so you can get extra 10% off. Like, there is like lots of sale going on, I think, at the moment, but I don't know till when it will be on. Yeah, like just now, like, the Shein order came, and girls are really excited because they bought, I think, couple of things from Shein. So yeah, I don't know what. I have got no idea. Like, they took my email, my password, and everything, and they added to the cart, and I just did the checkout, I think. So it was like ordered long time ago. It just came today, so they are really excited to see the Shein order. But I'm going to make in a separate video, so I will be sharing everything with you all. Okay, so this is the first gray one. Looks really pretty, as you can see. And like, just look this part, like, it is so nice, and it fits her so well too. And this is the hand part, and I just love it. Like, it's just so pretty. Wow, can you turn around? So this is the back part, so it's really pretty. Yeah, it's really pretty. I just love it. Okay, I love it. Do you like it?
Jesus.
Do you like it?
Yeah. Okay, yes, I like it, but it's like tight here. But other than that, it's fine.
Yeah, that's how this one looks. Like, it looks so pretty.
I love it.
Medium will be good for her, but yeah, it's okay. It's okay. It looks good. I literally like it.
It's good. I like it, but it's just tight here.
Yeah.
It literally took me 2 minutes to get this on. I swear.
Yeah, so it looks really pretty. I literally like it. Guess you like it?
Yes. Can I keep it?
So pretty. Okay, this is the black one. Wow, just look, like, black looks so pretty. I think I love black color. Looks really nice. You like it, Eliza?
Yeah.
And like, just look this part. I literally like this part, that it goes up to here, and like, it sits here really well too. And like, this has lots of room, so it fits me. But like, I think this size will fit this type of girl. Okay, you like it?
Yeah.
So pretty. And yeah, it has little design here, as you can see. Yeah, you can't see properly in black, but you can see it properly on this. Yeah. Okay, so I got these things from this website, and I'm gonna be linking it below in the description box. You can check it out if you like something. Like, I will say that order medium if you look like me. Okay, just cause like small will be too tight, and then you will then you'll have to retain, and I don't like doing all that. I have 2 girls. If it doesn't fits me, it will definitely fit my girls. Okay, so it's okay for me. So now I'm going to share whatever I have from Ellie Fashion. So I've got like some active wear from here too, but some other things too. I think actually I bought lots of active wear these days. So this is the first one. I literally like it. So I haven't tried this, but I literally like it. Okay. Oh, I think I did try. Okay, I think I did try yesterday these leggings, and like, it looks really good on me. And this one is in size small. Yeah, US size 6 and Australian size small, and Euro size 38. Okay, so this looks really nice. Love the design. And like, I do work out every day nowadays, so yeah, I need lots of this active wear. And I like it. Like, it's high waist too, which is good. And it comes with a top 2. So this is by Mink and Moss collection, and yeah, it's activewear legging set. Okay, and this one is in size small too, and literally I like it because it's padded and it has this, so it will sit here properly. Okay, it's activewear too, and it's a top. This one is in size small and activewear top, and this is by Skylar. You all must have seen I'm wearing their legging all the time. Like, I love their black legging, so I bought this and literally love it. Looks so nice. It also has this thing, which is good, and the material is really stretchy, and I think it will be very comfy too, because Ellie Fashion's clothes are really good too. Yeah, same, but in color gray and white. That one is in color gray, no, black and gray, and this one is activewear in size small. So this one is gray and white. Literally love it. So pretty, and it has this thumb thingy, no?
Yeah, that's what your thumb does.
Yeah.
It has him floating so hard.
It's so pretty. Look, Eliza.
Oh my god.
I got another legging. Literally love this one. It's beautiful. And it has this design.
It's nice.
Literally pretty. And this one is in size small too. Like, I bought lots of leggings before from Ellie Fashion. Like, I love their activewear leggings. It fits me perfectly in size small. But from that other shop, it doesn't fit me that well. So yeah, like everywhere when buying, like, just check the sizing. So this one is Skylar. Literally love this. I should have bought a matching top, like light pink top will match, no?
Yeah.
Or white, no?
You should get a size bigger than your normal size.
Yeah, but I got in the size medium, the same ones, those ones. Okay, I got another one, and this one is like this. This one is Skylar too, and this one is size small, a crop boxy shirt. I literally love this one.
Me too.
You like it?
Yeah.
I know. So it's really pretty, and like the material is really soft too. Can you put this inside there and put it there, please? And I got another top. This one is Skylar too. And this one is in color white. Literally love it.
Wow, that is pretty.
This is pretty and looks really big. It's large, okay?
Why'd you get it large?
Because there was no size available, so I got in large, because I literally want to wear a little bit bigger size tops, because literally these days it's so hot. And by the way, like, I liked this one, but like there was none in size small or medium available, so I got in size large. So the next one is, so this one is another Skylar top in size X small. Look, X small looks big, okay?
That is so pretty. I love that one. I love the gray one and that one.
I know, you will like it. It's really pretty. I literally like it. The material is so good too. It's very soft. And let's see another one. Okay, love this one, because you have to you can just tie it here on the side. So looks really pretty, and It's a Skylar, yeah. Looks really nice.
Yeah.
It has this string thing here. You can just pull and tie as short as you want. Really love it. Okay, it's so pretty, gorgeous top.
Yeah, it's so gorgeous. Oh my god.
Yeah, and the material is activewear, so it's nice. Okay, last one from Ellie Fashion is another activewear set. Okay, just like the gray one, the first one I showed you all. So it's this top, literally beautiful blue top,
Ooh.
and it's from Mink and Moss collection. And this is the legging. I tried this one yesterday, like literally looks so pretty. Love it. I will like share with you all in my stories when I'll do my workout. I'll wear this, I'll share. Okay, so follow me on Instagram. I do post things on my stories. Looks really nice, and literally it's very stretchy too. Okay, love this set.
Yeah, see, look at the fit. I told you she'll like it. Look at the titties. Pretty big. Wait, is there already a bra on that?
Yeah, do subscribe if you want to see more, and if you want to see more haul videos, there is lots on my channel. I have already posted 2 haul in 2022, and yeah, I'm going to make more videos now, so I'm going to end this video here. If you want to watch more, you can just go on my channel and you can find more there too. And yeah, this is it for today. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, stay safe.
Bye, Mom. We waved at us. Bye. Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Ah! Hi.